Namaste ji, Jai Shri Krishna to all members. This is the introductory session for Karma Vipak Samhita to be held on 22nd June 2024. Karma Vipak Samhita is very simple in a way. If you read it, you will feel that it is very hard to decode. But when you learn, you may find it simple. For this, you should have a faith in Karma Vipak. You should have a faith in Almighty God. And you should have faith in yourself. These are the primary requisites. So better you should have a faith in Karma. Now, Karma Vipak Samhita is based on Nakshatra Charan. So 108 Nakshatra Charanas are there. And for all Nakshatra Charan, 108 Nakshatra Charans, Karma Vipak is given. So it is karmic date, karmic role of past life. And we will decode it as per the chart given to me, as per the chart received by us. So for this, keep it in mind the 5 Gunadharma, means significations of the planets. The 5 significations planets are natural, nature-given, char, movable signification, Atmakarak, Amatyakarak, Gemini concept, and fixed karaka. For example, second house is fixed karaka of spouse. Then comes another significations. The planet posited in a sign. So sign-wise signification of a planet. And 5th is Bhava-based signification. Planet in a Bhava. Its significations. So keep it in mind. Keep it handy. Now another part. Planet in mutual angle, mutual kendra, may influence each other. If this angle is in Nata, mutual angle and angle of Natal. An angle of Natal is very important. It may influence the planets each other. So this is very important. And it is very common. We know it. It is given in all our Hora Shastras. Planets in trine is also very important because it nourishes or it grows the signification of planet, each other's planets. It may impact. So that is also very important. And third is planet posited in 6-8 planet to the concerned bhava or to the planet. That may give bad or that may mar the significations of the planet in question. Suppose moon is in 11th house and Saturn and Mars in 6th house. So significations of moon may be impacted, may give adverse result. Okay, this is important. This is why, because when we decode the Karma Vipak, these planetary significations are very important. So I am suggesting you to keep it, keep handy. This is one thing. Then another my suggestion is to, when we decode the Karma Vipak Samhita, please keep handy Vyoni chapter, because we may see after the death hell, serpent yoni, donkey yoni, camel yoni, buffalo yoni, etc., animal yoni, serpent yoni, etc. You will see. Then you will have to see it in Vyoni chapter. So Vyoni chapter is also very important. So keep it handy. You may find this in our Hora Shastra, Jatak, Parijat, Saravali, Phaldipika, in every classics. You may find this manifold birth chapter. So this is very important when we see. So when you will see this, all significations in mind, you can very well decode the Karma Vipak Samhita, and also you may change it as per the chart. So mind it, you cannot go ahead, but you can change or you can modify as per the chart. Okay, because in Karma Vipak Samhita, past life is given, then current life and expiration. So when we see the expiration, it should be applicable as per the modern time. So we have to see. Suppose in Karma Vipak it is said that 1/6 of the house property or your wealth is to be donated. Donation is concerned with second house, 12th house, 9th house. Basically 9th and 12th house. So if it is Gemini sign is posited, then we can say it is 3%. Okay. As per the Rashi. This is an example. You can multiply also. So this decoding is very important. So I am taking it here. Because sometimes it may not tally with the chart. Why? Because some rituals, some expiation rituals, expiation process is based on ritual manuals and smrtis. So it will be very hard to understand how we can do this. Questions arise. So we have to see it, how it will be applicable in modern times. Now coming to the past life. There are names given, names of the Jataka, names of the birthplace. So to keep it in simple, you may derive it from first house or fourth house. If the name, then first house. If it is birthplace, name, direction, then fourth house Rashi is important. Fourth house Lord, in whichever sign posited, is important. Also, there are other methods, but I keep it simple here. Suppose the name is name of the town where Jataka born in past life is Kasipur. So Kasipur is Gemini sign, Kachagav. So Fourth lord posited in, suppose, Gemini sign. So it tallies. That is, he was born in Kashipur city. The direction will be as per fourth house sign or fourth. You can also consider first house. So these are the things which we have to decode, which we are going to decode. Another thing is current life. Basically, in all Nakshatra Charana, 108 Nakshatra Charana, 108 Nakshatra Charana, expiation is given for the current life problem of progeny, childbirth. But that is one thing. You can also have a problem in career, wealth, debt, or marriage. So these are also the concern area of current life. So we can see that in the current life, what is the problem? So I said, when you send the chart, please send your concern area of the life. What is the major concern area of the life? So this way, this is introductory session, and we will learn many things from this session. From the webinar. So please join our webinar to be held on 22nd June 2024 on Karma Vipak Samhita. Karma Vipak Samhita based on Nakshatra Charan 108 Nakshatra Charans. And we will discuss it as per the charts received by. Thanks for watching. Nirvignena Subham Bhavatu. Kalyan Vastu. Jai Shri Krishna to all.
We are conducting this Karma Vipak Samhita with VigyaVastuNAstrology on 22nd, as Sir has mentioned. It is a one-day webinar of nearly 3.5 hours, and Sir will be taking charge of the participants. We have an early bird offer for this session, which will be ending on 15th of June. Please do join in. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Kalyan.